A very good morning to all of you. So it is our art and craft class. So what you need for today, you need craft and painting book. You have to open page number 7. Sea animals. So children, first we'll see what are the sea animals and then we're going to do. So sea animals. What is written here children? Those animals which are living in the sea are called as sea animals. So hello, I am a squid. I live in the sea. This animal name is squid and these are living in the sea. These squids children, they have an elongated body and they have very large eyes. Can you see it? Yes. And they have the color changing habits children. They can change their colors from yellow, orange, brown, black. They can change. Next, seahorse. Hello, I am a seahorse, but I am not a horse. I am a fish. Why it is called as seahorse? Because its head, it's look like a horse. So we call this animal as seahorse. And this seahorse also has a color changing habit. They can change their color according to their surrounding. So they can also be pink, yellow, brown, black, grey, red. They are found in different colors. So what we have to do here today, we'll read. Cut a lady's finger from the tip, dip it in the watercolor and make its impression on the body of the sea animals. Color the rest of the picture. So for this activity, what we need? We need watercolor. These are the color tubes, watercolor tubes. Need brushes, empty plate, water, lady's finger we are cutting here from the tip. And you need your normal crayons. So let's start our today's activity. So children, first we are writing the today's date 24/9/2020. So here in this squid, I'm going to do the brown color. I have taken this brown color watercolor tube with a little bit of water. Take your lady's finger. Dip it in the color and then we'll start pressing it here. Now in seahorse children, I am going to do the yellow color. Take a lady's finger, cut it from the tip, dip it in the color and then start pressing. So children, we have done with this both the sea animals. Next thing what we have to do, we have to color the rest of the picture. So here light blue color, we have to color this sea with the crayon. So children, finish this artwork. We'll see you again. Bye.